Changing forwarding rules with 3CX. The 3CX status feature. From the web client, you can choose your status by selecting the status on the top right. Here you will find 5 statuses that can be easily configured to manage incoming call flows to your extension. The same applies to smartphone apps, such as the 3CX Android app. Simply select the status indicator in the upper right corner. To select the status from an IP phone, you need to enter *3, then a number from 0 to 4 according to the desired status. For example, to choose the Do Not Disturb, you'll need to enter *32, and a voice will confirm the status selected. To return to the available status, type *30. On the 3CX Management Console, you can replace the code *3 with another by accessing Settings, then Dial Codes. Customize status settings directly from the web client. On the web client, you can customize the behaviour associated with each status. This is all thanks to the flexibility of 3CX. Access Settings, then Call Forwarding to choose how incoming calls are managed when the extension status changes. This can also be configured for external and internal calls. Set status temporarily. The Set Status Temporarily feature allows you to schedule a status change. If this is set, you will not need to change your status back to available. 3CX will do this for you. Customize the name of the 3CX status. Did you know that customizing your name on 3CX can be easily achieved from the app or web client? Administrators can also change the name of the last 2 statuses for all extensions by accessing the Settings then General section of the 3CX Management Console.